Okay, so we have today is December 5th, and we are one time framing up for the last few sessions, higher highs, higher lows. Yesterday we closed above that November high. Overnight we broke above the high from yesterday. We were holding here, and just now, as I was about to do the morning plan, we dropped and we came all the way to yesterday's half, almost to the tick, and now we're bouncing. So the question today is going to be, do we hold inside yesterday's value and keep chopping around in this area, or do we hold above it and then keep moving higher and towards our upper targets and eventually get to that 69.21? It looked kind of weak this morning, but now they're still buying the dip. We'll see if that holds, but that round trip to value area low hasn't happened yet, so now we're at that line of value area high. So if we don't hold 68, then the target to the downside is value area low at 54 and change, and then we're still in the same range as the last few days, so expect more chop and move back to 42, and then if we take these lows, then we have all these lows that could look very tempting, right, to take all these lows, but so far we couldn't get anywhere. The shorts can't get anywhere in this environment. So if we get below that point of control, below this low, then I'm going to be looking to see if we have any continuation of this move, negative order flow, and see if we can finally take these lows and maybe fill the gap. I'm not very hopeful that this gap is going to fill yet, but expected move is 30 points for today, so 30 points will put us in this area right here, 68.28, 68.30. You can see this delta imbalances in this area, the 25 all the way to 33. So this is an area that we're probably going to have some a pause, and then see if we can break this below it, and then same here. We have a lot of inventory here to go through in order to fill that gap. And then on the way up, I talked about this a million times. So we have the PCE reporting at 10 a.m. and Michigan expectations at 10 a.m. For some reason they changed it. It was supposed to be at 8:30, but now it's at 10 a.m. Nasdaq, same kind of structure for the overnight session. Didn't hold above, trying to hold inside value from yesterday. So far is rejecting. So same scenarios. Crude tested briefly above the 50 moving average yesterday, but couldn't hold above it. Now it's coming back down, came back to kind of the middle of this consolidation, still the same range, not much happening here. And gold, again, testing this area keeps supporting. Yesterday it tested right below, right above that settlement from the 4th of December, and then buyers bought the dip, coming back up towards the top of the range. There's this 1, 2, 3 highs up here that we might test above it, but same thing as I was mentioning before. This delta imbalance here at 75 on gold, and that's a settlement from the 1st of December. So we might just test this and then see if we can test these highs, or if we keep trading in this same range that we've been trading for the past few days, between 210 and 300. Okay, well, that's about it for today. Let's wait for 10 a.m. and see what happens at 10 a.m. Good luck.